Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing, and I am back to present the line dance, That's the Way Love Goes. The song is That's the Way Love Goes. The artist is Janet Jackson and the choreography is Amy Christian. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504 251 0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in a step-by-step instruction for this dance, I'll post it at the end of this video. Also, please check out the 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, the NOLA Southern Experience, July 11th through the 14th, 2024. Registration is open right now. Visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com, and let's go.
Like a moth to a flame burned by the fire. My love is blind, can't you see my desire? That's the way love goes. love goes. That's the way love. That's the way love. That's
There you go. That's the way love goes. Check out the NOLA Southern Experience. www. Don't forget to check out the NOLA Southern Experience. Visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. That's the way love goes. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.